वीक में 2 या 3 बार किसी न किसी कैफे में बैठे होते हैं, किसी न किसी रेस्टोरेंट में बैठे होते हैं. But it's always our parents who get into the habit of staying at home.
एटिकेट्स हैं, अच्छे घर आने गए हैं वो.
क्या कहोगे? अब ज़रा खत्म हो.
हेलो.
So since last year, I had been like we all had been planning. Me, my family, we had been planning कि यार हम कहीं जाएंगे बाहर. We'll go for a nice lunch or a nice evening. We'll just have some good food and just hang out. But वो हो नहीं पा रहा था. So my dad's birthday, I put the vlog, but we had all of our dinner and everything at home. My schedule was busy. भाई का schedule was busy. Everybody was busy. My sister-in-law was not here. So धीरे धीरे करके it was just like we couldn't go मेरे पापा के बर्थडे पे, then we couldn't go मम्मा के बर्थडे पे, then we couldn't go my sister-in-law के बर्थडे पे, then मेरे भाई का बर्थडे आता है अप्रैल में. एंड मुझे जैसे ही सेंस हुआ ना कि ये थोड़ा थोड़ा सा हमारा सिमिलर सा पैटर्न बनता जा रहा है कि काम है, बिजी है, somebody or the other is traveling, somebody or the other is caught up somewhere. I just kind of something just kind of in my mind. I was like no, मतलब अब तो जाना ही पड़ेगा, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगा कि हम तो घूमते ही रहते हैं ना. हम हर हफ्ते भी नहीं, एटलीस्ट वीक में 2 या 3 बार किसी न किसी कैफे में बैठे होते हैं, किसी न किसी रेस्टोरेंट में बैठे होते हैं. कोई ना कोई नई जगह खुली है, हम अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ चले जाते हैं. कोई कॉन्सर्ट हो गया, वहाँ चले जाते हैं. बट इट्स ऑलवेज आवर पेरेंट्स हु जस्ट काइंड ऑफ get into the habit of staying at home and not, they're always like यार कोई बात नहीं, आप लोग जाओ, हमें कुछ नहीं चाहिए, हमें हमारा हो गया, we'll just stay at home, we don't want to go out and it's okay, like you guys go, you guys have fun. And they have this self, अपनी needs sacrifice करके because kind of become that way over the years. But इस बारी I was like, you know what, I don't care कि मेरे पास कितना काम है, I don't care कि भाई के पास कितना काम है, कौन आ रहा है, कौन आ पा रहा है, कौन नहीं जा पा रहा है. I don't care who comes or who doesn't. Even if it's just me and my dad and my mom and a dog, I am going. So we were initially planning to go to Tubu, but I've just had like really bad experiences there for the last few times that I went, and I'm kind of like pissed. So I think that they mentioned that they were supposed to be a pet friendly cafe, but they aren't. And it's not that bothers me, it's just that their staff is like very rude and very unwelcoming, very not warm. So I called them up and they said, we're not a pet friendly cafe. I was like, okay, fine, whatever, bye. And then I called up Dochi, and those people, they are such a delight to talk to. I don't know who was on the phone, but that guy was so warm, so welcoming. And he even like, I booked a table and everything, and it was just such a smooth, nice experience. And then we went and it was even better. So with this vlog, I just wanna let you guys know, okay, time is gonna go by really fast and you're not gonna realize it. And you are always going to have work, you are always going to have meetings, you are always going to have something or the other thing that's going to seem more important than celebrating our birthdays and our anniversaries, or even just like little hangouts, little things, even just like the nonsensical things. But time is running out, okay, and you only have so much time to create the memories that you will wish that you had done once you are older. So it's, take it as a, not as a tiny little reminder, but like a really big, hard, just scary reminder to take your parents out, take your friends out. Just don't miss out on all of the opportunities. Of course, there are some circumstances where you cannot ignore that and you cannot be a part of such events, such things, but ट्राई करो यार, थोड़ा सा ट्राई करो. इट्स नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट. अगर बर्थडे वाले दिन कुछ और इम्पोर्टेंट काम है तो बर्थडे के 1-2 दिन बाद हो जाएगा, 1-2 दिन पहले हो जाएगा, 1 हफ्ते बाद हो जाएगा. बट मेक श्योर दैट यू go, make sure that you spend time, even if it is, because this vlog we just went out, we ordered food, we had the food, and then we went back home. We didn't do anything else. My parents literally didn't do anything else, but they enjoyed, they had fun. It was a nice little evening out. And yeah, so take it as a reminder. And now on to the vlog.
हेलो गाइस, कल भाई का बर्थडे था. सो वी वर थिंकिंग ऑफ गोइंग आउटसाइड एंड हैविंग like a lunch. He is going to be a little bit busy, so initially we thought कि टूबू जाएंगे, but I don't know what is happening with टूबू. I'm not very happy with the service. वहाँ का staff is like weirdly kind of rude. I don't ever see anybody smiling. I don't know if they're under pressure or what. And from the last 2 to 3 times whenever I have been there, उनके पास जो भी चीज़ ऑर्डर करो वो होती ही नहीं है. आई वॉन्टेड टू हैव देयर वियतनामीज़ मोका क्लाउड बिकॉज आई एम लाइक रियली fascinated by Vietnamese coffee these days, and जहाँ पे भी मैं जाती हूँ I like to try their Vietnamese coffee, but they didn't have that. Then I wanted to order some chicken pizza or something, I don't remember. They didn't have that. And then मैं 2-3 दिन बाद, 2-3 दिन तो नहीं, मतलब 3-4 दिन बाद गई थी. And then again whatever I wanted to have, they didn't have that. They have just so many restrictions कि आप 12 बजे से पहले यहाँ बैठ सकते हो, ऐसे नहीं कर सकते, वैसे नहीं कर सकते, 1:30 बजे ये है फल. Just too much. And उनके इंस्टाग्राम पे आई रिमेंबर स्पेसिफिकली मैंने देखा था पहले that they were a pet friendly cafe. I did a Google search and they said that it's a pet friendly cafe. And आज हमने जाना था, so I thought I'd just call them up before going just to confirm, so that I'm gonna go in a cab and I'm gonna take my dog. And अगर मैं वहाँ पे जाके वो लोग मुझे मना कर दिया तो it'll be a problem for me. So I thought I'd call, and I called them and they said कि they are not a pet friendly cafe. It's outside, literally everything there is outside. What is your problem? So I'm like very turned off by them. I'm just like, I don't want to go back there at all. And then I called up Dochi and they have a sitting outside and they were very warm and welcoming, and they take reservations as well. Tupu doesn't take reservations on phone, by the way, so that's another thing. So I called up Dochi and I have my reservation now, and we're gonna go to Dochi. So I'm just gonna get ready and I'm gonna try to film the whole thing. See you guys in a bit. I want to show you guys my outfit. I just haven't decided yet. I was thinking of wearing a dress, my white and black polka dot dress, but then I had my period today in the morning and I don't want to wear a dress anymore. And I'm just gonna wear my maybe like a top and some jeans or something. So
जीजी भी पिएगा क्रिश्चियन, पानी पिएगा, जीजी खाएगा.
नहीं ला रहे हो.
ला रही हैं. राधे राधे, जय श्री कृष्ण.
हैप्पी बर्थडे छोटे सारा.
ये
ये कह रहे
छोटू.
ये उनका पिल्लो.
नहीं, वैसे आपकी बात आई ही नहीं थी.
क्यों?
क्योंकि माइक नहीं लगा, वहाँ पीछे से गाना बज रहा है. मैंने सबटाइटल्स डाल दिए.
एटिकेट्स हैं, अच्छे घर आने गए हम.
मैनरलेस नहीं है.
ले लेगा.
हेलो. खिंचवा लो, खिंचवा लो.
this was a tiny little getaway. Even though it doesn't seem like much, I had a lot of fun, and so did my parents. And I'm definitely sure that my dog had a lot of fun too. Let me know in the comments below if you have ever been in a similar situation where you just kept waiting and things weren't happening, so you decided to take action and go for it anyway. And I will see you guys next time.